this is crocodile. Feel it.
I feel like you can beat someone to death with this fish.
Snake. Yeah. It feels so weird. It makes a sound. Oh my god. This crocodile. It's so scary.
Is it by that?
No. That's so scary. This is cute. A whole zebra tail on that one. And a springbok butt. No. It's beautiful.
Something which is very easy to carry when you are traveling is paintings. You see? This is what I do myself. You see? And they're not expensive. I'll give you local price.
What animals do they have? Zebra. I don't know what it is. Springbok. It's a national animal. Cowhide. So soft, right? My mom wants one as a carpet. I think she's crazy though. Hi. Which one? Chicken, beef, pork, prawn, or stir-fried rice, or chow mein. These are the tiny holes and they bring the egg out of the shell, but this is the egg that's left and then you put the clothes inside. Sometimes there's a hole at the bottom, you put the light bulb in and then
Do you think it's hard to transport?
yeah. Unless they bubble wrap it like this bubble wrap, but odds are if it fits, unsure if it'll make it. You know, these are made out of bone or ivory from like elephant tusk. Bone. You want to get your friend something like tiny giraffes are cute. There's tiny giraffes outside also. It's called opal. I like that more than diamonds. Want to get your friends. Want to make it your friends to draw.
It's easy to break in transport. Okay.
Let me show you how we do. We love the head from here to here with the bubble wrap. From here we have to put also bubble wrap and put another one and wrap. Yeah, but it's wood, so it's not. And the goodness is so light. Yeah, it's so light. It will be fine in transport. Yeah. Oh, think about it and come back. Thank you so much. They're beautiful. Love them.
It's gonna break.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not. It's so sturdy. You could throw them on the ground right now and it's not gonna break.
What the hell? Throw it. I dare you.
Only after you buy it. These are so well made. Can you imagine carving this out of rock? How well made is it? This is incredible. Those little elephants look so cute. Frogs also. And that's jade, I think. The green one. So well made. They're beautiful. Hi. These are also so cute.
Some of them come with the mother and the baby.
I love it. It's so nice. Those are really cute also.
Come for the families too.
Love it.
So find them also in the natural stone as well.
Wow. Wow, that's so beautiful.
The elephant also comes with another skin. Some different sizes.
Wow.
So this size is also.
Love it. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hi.
Just having.
You have to eat.
Okay.
Good.
What is here?
has a lot of these on her wall.
Oh.
These are seashells. These also. It's called a cowrie. Very rare seashell.
Thank you.
Animal horns. Animal horn lamps also. How crazy. It's all ivory and bone. The white, that's bone. This is so sick. I don't know how you carve a block of wood.
But there's a crack here.
I know,
Try
but
to
like,
fix it.
but still, like, can you imagine getting a slab of wood and then carving that? It's an art. It's beautiful. The marble ones even more. So you see those ones with jade and ivory. It's so lovely.
How are you?
Thank
Hi.
you.
Yes, we are doing a traditional dance. Do you like they ask to dance for you, or do you like take a picture?
Oh no, like when we just want to watch the performance, but I can donate.
Are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada.
But I'm from here.
Oh, you from?
Yeah.
I thought my brother is from maybe Korea or Japan. Thank you. Gonna start. Are you still around here?
Yeah.
Are you going up there in the market?
We're just going in here.